Well, boys, Scott to Scott here again, back outside. I don't know if you can hear that, dropping through the water. It's a pretty shitty day out. Check this out, eh? I've never had this much water up in my backyard. The creek's a little high, but I've seen that higher. Even the old snow blowers in the water. But anyway, we're going to, since it's a rain delay for that, obviously, we're going to work on the Honda tank. I'm going to try to get this dent out today. I know I'm not going to get that dent out because it's pretty sharp. You never know, I might try to get something in there. But I'm going to work on the light for this, for my fuel gauge. Because you kind of need that, right? Well, I got to get the rest of the fuel out of here. There's still a little wee bit in there rolling around. Maybe I'll just dump it in the creek. No. I got a jerry can here, and let me dump that out and bring it inside and warm it up a bit. Alright, I'll bring you back. Guys, I got the tank on the bench. What do we want to start with? Fuck, I should have grabbed the key. I think I got one in here. I think I'll take this off first. And then I'm going to try some stuff on the dent. I got some different pullers, and I got the glue gun out, and what have you. And yeah, maybe we'll try to pull that dent first. Okay, give me a minute. I want to set you up. Okay, guys, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this dent or not. You can kind of see it there, eh? It's not huge, but when you're... There it is. Kinda, eh? It's not huge, but it's very noticeable when you're looking at the tank, right? So, my first attempt, I'm going to use the big yellow suction cup. I might be able to get it right over it and just... I'm hoping anyway. I wish you could see that better. There it is. Anyway, okay, let me put you in the camera tripod here, and we'll take a look-see. Okay, let's give this a whirl. I'm probably just going to end up standing in front of you the whole time. And if I do, I apologize. I don't think it's going to work, boys. That's the problem. Two hands. No, it's too big, the circumference. I do, however, I got a smaller one. Yeah, let's see. It even sticks. Oh, boys, we might be in business. I'm just going to use a very simple set of pliers. I don't know. Might have a little bit. Let's give this a go. Get a little cleany poo. Give it a little bit of a chance, eh? Lord knows my bike's probably never been washed before. Yeah, it's been washed. Let's see. worked a bit there. Hey, what else will you be doing while we're all on lockdown, eh? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna say I'm not getting it at all. It's not enough suction. But I do remember I have another suction cup somewhere. That might be more powerful. I'll bring you back. Okay, another attempt here, boys. I got my old cell phone mount. Ah, we did her. We fucking did her, boys. Now that makes me happy. For a change. The struggling goof is happy. Right on, boys. Fuck, I might get inspired and leave a pinstriping around here again or something. I want to keep all this. I want to try to get the... might even re-clear this a little bit. I like it when it looks old and used, right? Okay, we're going to... oh, here. Let me just... look at that. Gone. Alright. Nice. Okay, we're gonna I'm gonna rip this out, and you can watch me struggle with that probably. We'll be back. Well, as it turns out, well, I got this off. It's pretty easy. Just 2 Allen bolts on the bottom actually come out right out, and then this one here you just got to spin them out and they come out. And then you got to go underneath and then loosen them that way with a wrench on that side. Okay, but regardless, it like I was saying, it turned out to be a pretty easy mission. There's the bulb. But I still need to check the wires to see if there's a break in the wire, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty easy peasy one. I shouldn't have said that, but we'll see. Okay, just 1 second. I don't know how well you can see here, but like I said, I fucking wish I can get the shot all the time. But I got the continuity meter on. I'm just going to check real quick, I guess. Green, brown. Let's check something here. Oh, that's temp. So we're green brown again. Holy cow. Okay, so bottom corner is the green. That seems to be a continuity. These little bastards. Can't even see the pins. One side's green and one side's brown. Green is the bottom corner. Continuity on that one. Brown the top corner, right inside. We got continuity there. This little bastard. Let me get out the magnifying glass. Okay, so this should be the same as the other one. But are we going to have a good connection? I think I found our problem. Well, if I was a betting man, I'd say we're making contact. Now for sure. Next side. The bulb. Well, we got to get something going for that. Okay, we're at a bit of a standstill. So once again, guys, this was just a quick video, hopefully, to show you guys my tank dent removal and the bulb change. Oh, I might be able to pull it out. I might be able to have a bulb in that other cluster over there. I'll have to take a look. Ah, well, our luck had to run out sooner or later, boys, with this here. Hold on. I need to get a bulb. Your old crappy tire whenever the coronavirus is done with. Or COVID-19. But no, these bulbs are too big. Unfortunately. That would have been easy peasy. Blink, blink. Yeah, our luck had. It's the struggling goof. If it's going to happen to anybody, it'll happen to me. Okay. Anyway, not much more we can do on this. I'm going to dig out some trim later and maybe fix that. I don't know. But anyway, hopefully the projects don't dry up for parts because of this COVID-19. Anyway, everybody stay safe. Social distancing, what have you. Follow the rules. All right, like, share, and subscribe.